5 simple tips on how to get rich and achieve financial success. Number 1. Start saving and investing early. One of the most important things you can do to increase your chances of becoming rich is to start saving and investing as early as possible. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compound interest. Even if you can only afford to save a small amount each month, it's important to get into the habit of saving and investing for the long term. Number 2. Set specific financial goals. To become rich, you need to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve financially. This could be anything from saving a certain amount of money each month to paying off debt to investing in a particular asset. Without specific goals to work towards, it's easy to get sidetracked or lose motivation. The more specific your goals are, the easier it will be to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Number 3. Learn about personal finance and investing. In order to build wealth, it's important to have a solid understanding of personal finance and investing. This means learning about topics like budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. There are many resources available, such as books, online courses, and financial advisors, that can help you develop this knowledge. The more you understand about personal finance and investing, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions that can help you build wealth. Number 4. Take calculated risks. While it's important to be cautious with your money, sometimes taking a calculated risk can lead to big rewards. This could mean investing in a new business venture or taking a chance on a high-yield investment. Of course, it's important to do your due diligence and carefully evaluate the potential risks and rewards before making any financial decisions. But by taking calculated risks, you may be able to unlock new opportunities for wealth creation. Number 5. Continuously educate yourself. Finally, becoming rich isn't a one-time event, it's a continuous process. In order to continue building wealth, you need to keep learning and growing. This could mean pursuing additional education or training, learning new skills, or staying up to date on industry trends. By continuously improving yourself and your abilities, you'll be better equipped to take advantage of new opportunities as they arise and make smart financial decisions. So there you have it. 5 simple tips on how to get rich and achieve financial success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content.